Hello folks, I thought I'd do a short video to help the subscribers and those that view the videos here understand that there's been a little bit of a change at Remora Bay and the YouTube channel. We've had well over 100 videos on this channel on how to do basically all things EDI, and most of those videos are made private now because we're making a change here. The EDI videos were really a method for us to showcase our knowledge of EDI and a little bit about the tools that we have at our fingertips and what we can do. But training as a business model can only go so far. I mean, when you train folks, it's not a residual business. It's more like a one-time thing. And we are moving on to a different phase now where we are offering different services, specifically transaction validation services and conversion services. And there's a lot of need out there for folks that need validation for their 837s or maybe another transaction in the HIPAA set. And we can validate any of those transactions. We have a main focus on the 837. And we also have conversion services where we convert all kinds of data. I mean, we have conversion services where we can convert using Python, as the tool, or maybe another visual suite. But also we have, for content purposes, JSON, for example, as an output, or specifically we have a couple clearinghouses where we're taking either CSV files or Excel data or data from Excel spreadsheets and converting it into the 837 format. And typically we also offer validation at the same time as kind of like a value-added service to make sure that the claims are clean. So we have these clearinghouse services for those that need help with the Excel to 837 conversion. A lot of times these are companies that want to focus on maybe their specific business model, but they don't have an expertise, with EDI. And the other area that we're working on is with Medicare Advantage, specifically those chart chase to chart review conversions that must be sent to CMS for risk reduction. There are some vendors out there that aren't doing very well, and we've been asked to help do the conversion and validation for several years now. And so we're opening that up to more Medicare Advantage plans. We'd love to hear from you if you have questions about that. It's very much a private club when it comes to Medicare Advantage. It's difficult to get, the information that is needed to create those chart reviews. And in today's world, where there's kind of a lack of EDI knowledge, that can be a real bottleneck for Medicare Advantage plans. So this is just a short video to say, hey folks, we're still here. We're just changing a little bit. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below, or you can visit our domain, remorabay.com, or you can send me an email to edi.dallas@zoho.com. We'd love to hear from you, and thanks for watching our videos.